Yeah, this is known as a trichome. So multicellular arrangement. So epidermal growth, this is also helps in the prevention of water, loss of water. Then cortex. Coming to cortex, same like in root. Here too cortex, it has three subregions. Exodermis, or it is also called hypodermis or outer cortex, general cortex, endodermis. So 2 to 3 layers cholenchyma cells structure is known as exodermis or outer cortex or hypodermis. So intercellular space is absent. Cells are closely, tightly, compactly arranged. So the main function is prevention of loss of water, and directly, indirectly, it gives mechanical strength support to the innermost parts of the stem or the tissues. So epidermis followed by hypodermis. Then coming to multi-layered parenchymatous cells arrangement is known as general cortex. So intercellular space is found. This is called resin duct or resin canal. Glandular cells are arranged around this resin duct or canal, one of the characteristic feature of the dicot stem. Then followed by endodermis, same like in root structure, innermost layer of the general cortex is transformed or differentiated into single layer compact cells arrangement without intercellular space is known as endodermis. Main function is protection of the innermost tissue present in the stellar region, and the special feature is Casparian thickenings are found as usual like root. Additionally, starch grains are present because in dicot stem endodermis is also known as starch sheath. Yes, presence of starch grain is the characteristic feature. Then followed by pericycle, dear students. So pericycle is made by sclerenchyma. Generally, in root it is made by parenchyma, but here pericycle made by sclerenchyma, surrounded by parenchymatous tissue. The main function is protection of the innermost cells, and also it helps in the directly, indirectly in the lateral roots formation. So parenchyma, sclerenchyma, this is pericycle. Yeah. This is the parenchymatous structure is called medulla or pith. So vascular bundles are collateral, conjoint and open. So what is meant by collateral, conjoint, open in the sense between xylem and phloem cambium is present. So from the pith medullary rays are formed that helps in the lateral conduction. Xylem and phloem together called vascular bundle, they are arranged in the same radius because collateral, conjoint. So between xylem and phloem few layers arrangement of special cells called cambium because open type, this is called open type. Phloem, xylem, between cambium is known as open type. So trichome, epidermis, exodermis, general cortex, resin canal, endodermis, pericycle, phloem, xylem, cambium. So pith or medulla is well developed and medullary rays are arranged from the pith for the lateral conduction of food. So this is the summary you could observe here. So single layer epidermis, resin ducts are present, that is trichome. This is endodermis or starch sheath because starch grains are formed. Xylem, phloem, conjoint, collateral, open, pericycle, well developed medulla or pith, medullary rays are formed, lateral conduction purpose. This is a ground plan. The entire spherical one is ground current, vascular bundle. So this arrangement of vascular bundle is called U steel. Around 7 to 15 vascular bundles are arranged. So I hope everybody understood. Thank you. Signing off. This is Mr. Karthikeyan, mentor in NEET. We shall meet in one more video.